Grand Rising. Today's a beautiful day. I hope you're having a beautiful day as well. The sun is out where I'm at here today. The birds are chirping. Life is so good. I'm just giving you a quickly daily dose of a positive reminder. So you're a spiritual being and you're having a human experience. So you came here to manipulate energy. You are energy. You are the universe. You are the creator. And once you go within yourself, you'll understand that this is what you are. So you have to commune with yourself, know thyself. So you're here to experience materialistic things. Go to the beach, eating some amazing food, meeting amazing people, cultures. But you're here to grow in consciousness. So your growth in consciousness is your main purpose. So don't focus on the outer senses. Do not get attached to people.